อนก็แล้วจะได้เอาแม็กไปยิงมีผ้าใบไว้กันฝนตกบอกเขาแล้ว80,000เขาบอกโอเคได้แล้วจะไม่งั้นจะไปลืมก่อนกับเอาผ้าใบยิงไว้ก่อนก็แล้วจะได้เห็นหน้ากันเอาแม็กไปยิงมีผ้าใบไว้กันฝนตกครับคิดว่าวันนี้คือรถมันไม่ติดก็รถห้องน้ำอยู่กลาง
เอวครับเอาที่เอวพี่ก็จองไว้ดีกว่า
ไม่รู้ว่าเดินห่างไปไหนก็ตายมั้ง
John, where are you from?
From Canada.
Canada. And you came here to visit Thailand?
Yes, as a tourist.
Do you remember where were you at that time when the earthquake took place here in Thailand?
I was actually in Chinatown, which is another place to shop. And then all of a sudden the floor started moving. So I was looking down and then everybody started screaming, panicking. And everybody tried to exit the market in these little narrow passages, and we were all pretty scared, running, screaming, pushing to get out of the building, and that's exactly what we did. And nothing happened in that market in Chinatown, but as we can see here in Chatuchak, it was a different story.
Do you remember what was the exact time when this happened?
I don't remember. It was probably maybe 3 o'clock, something like that. I wasn't looking at my watch when I was shopping.
Do you see this is the building that collapsed after the earthquake? Do you know about this place, or you are aware about the happenings?
This is called Chatuchak Market, or commonly known as JJ Market. I come shopping here a lot, almost every year. And it's a huge market. There's probably 7,000 shops right across the street from the building, which is right there. And that's where everybody goes shopping. And it's only open on weekends, Saturday, Sunday. So luckily this happened Friday, yesterday, and Chatuchak was closed because it's only open 2 days. I was supposed to be, had it happened today, there would have been a lot more people around this building. But luckily, if you can say luck, happened yesterday.
Was it under construction building?
I'm not too sure what building that was. It was under construction. And it was, I guess, 30 stories high. And we saw the pictures of the collapse. So I'm sure there's a lot of people under this rubble.
Did you receive a call from your family members?
Yes, absolutely. All my friends wrote and were wondering where I was, because they know I come shopping, and I sent them, pictures of me alive, which was cool.
Will you stay here, or will you?
I'm going back to Canada in 3 days.